अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 23. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres attached on both ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. Diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. What is the surface area? Now look at this diagram, you will get it. The total length is 14 mm and the diameter is 5 mm. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll calculate curved surface area of the cylindrical part. So that is 2 pi rh. So 2 into pi into radius will be half of diameter, so 2.5, and length, look closely, we want only the cylinder length. So that will be 14 minus 5, correct? So that is 9. So the final is 45 pi. That's the curved surface area of the cylindrical part. Now the curved surface area of the hemispherical part. So that is 2 pi r square. That is 2 pi into 2.5 square, which will be 12.5 pi. Now the total curved surface area of the capsule is the curved surface area of the cylindrical part plus two curved surface areas of the hemispherical part. One right hemisphere, one left hemisphere. So it will be 45 pi plus 2 into 12.5 pi, which is 70 pi. Okay, and if you put pi equal to 22 by 7, that will give you 220 mm square. That's the total area of the capsule.